Hello financial fans, today is Friday, June 3rd of 2022 and my stocks were down today on the day. Let us see. Today they were down 1.19%, slightly over 1%, 1.1%. And year to date I am down, my portfolio is down 5.5%. And the S&P 500 for today is down 1.63%, so I'm doing better than the S&P 500. And the Dow is down only 1.04%, so it's doing better than I'm doing, and that's the Dow 30 stocks. And the NASDAQ is down 2.46, almost 2.5%. It's down a lot today. The S&P 500 for the year is down 12.79%, and I am down only 5.5%, so I am beating the S&P 500 so far for the year. I bought a stock today and I sold a stock today. The stock I bought, Ford. Used to say there's a Ford in your future, and then later they said there's a Ford in your future with a future built in. So that Ford in my future is now in my portfolio, and I paid $13.46 per share for the amount that I bought. And I sold AT&T stock. I sold AT&T, and I'm not advising anyone to buy or sell Ford or AT&T. I just happen to think Ford has been beaten down more than it should be. There's going to be a supply chain surprise one of these days, and the next surprise has to be a good surprise. The AT&T I sold for $20.87.5%, 87.5 cents. So I bought Ford for $13.46, and I sold AT&T for $20.87.5. And we'll take a look real quick here at those two stocks. Here's AT&T. After hours trading at $20.89 per share, and on the left-hand column, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range for AT&T, $16.63 to $22.17, so it's near the middle there. The average volume, 55 million shares trade every day. The market cap, I'm not interested in that. The PE ratio, the third item down in the middle column, PE ratio, under 10, 8.79. That's good, and it's even good for AT&T. But I did sell this stock. I'm just showing you the numbers that this stock has today, and it actually looks like something that would be a good buy at this point, but I'm going to continue what I have been doing all year long that helps me beat the S&P 500. Forward dividend on AT&T, very healthy, 5.25% is paid for just holding on to the stock. The 1-year estimate, $23.88. So actually I would have no trouble recommending that as a buy, even though I sold it today. The main reason I sold it is the amount of capital I had tied up in AT&T was enough that I could sell it, make a profit on it for the amount of time I've held on to it, and be able to sell this to buy Ford, because I think Ford is just screaming to be bought. And we look at the Ford Motor Company chart, the symbol is F. And 2/3 of the way down, the column on the left, 52-week range, $12.07 was the low for Ford, and $25.87 was the high, so it went up about 100% from its $12. Anyone who bought in at $12, and if they were in at $25, they doubled their money. The average volume, 67 million shares trade every day. It's considered to be an undervalued stock. Ford is looking very undervalued. Look at the PE ratio, third item down in the middle column, 4.7 just looks really good. The dividend is nice, about 3%, just what you get for holding on to it, 2.88%. 1-year target, they're saying $17.53. I think it could go higher than that. We shall see if I'm guessing right. We'll know probably within a month. Keep an eye on Ford and AT&T and see what happens. And in the meantime, I thank you for watching.